Hello guys, welcome back to the Oasis NFT YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to share details about AI Alpha that has been developed by AI Alpha Tech, innovative artificial intelligence technology company found in 2020, headquartered in Denver, Colorado, USA. Within 5 years, they have also dedicated work R&D technology, and this is also working advanced tech. You can see here also, like there is also some certification. You can see this is also certified. Their mission is also to increase work smartly with using a tools. It's a AI an engine that work inspiring for creativity, and this is also having one stop for content creation for the AI video generation, AI painting, AI chat. All these feature I am going to share with you how actually this is working. You can also be one of the member who will join, and now let's get started with that. Is reshaping creativity productivity with dual AI engine. I am going to deep dive with AI Alpha that has been developed by AI Alpha Tech and in 2020 has been established. Now you can also find everything about it, what are the tools and how we can use it. So basically on a single interface you can find all these tools in a single interface. So let's get started with that. If you are new on the Oasis NFT YouTube channel, you can subscribe it and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And you can also see there is AI tools, AI paints. There is also AI chat system for the smart assistant. First of all, you need to create an account. You want to create account, you can also come to the AI Alpha register page. You can select your country, what you have, your number, and then there is also a complete list. As I am in from UK, so I select and give my number. There will be password and you can also repeat that password again. Invitation code you can write here, and after all these credentials you can create the account on the platform AI Alpha. Once you will come to the platform, that after account creation you can come to your profile. This is my profile. As you can see here, my unique ID with my number, and yes, here is also the next information about your referral link. You can invite link, you can share to your friends to invite them on the platform. And next you can also come to their asset platform where you can easily click on it. And yes, there is asset and GPU mean there is also on the account registration. After the account registration you will be given here $100 as balance from the platform that you can use for AI power and AI income. So basically, first if you want to come to asset, there is also deposit option too. If you want to go ahead, then you can click on it and there will be QR code and address. You can easily check that. If you want to go for the next to use this balance, that is 100, for that you can come here AI power, and now we can come to this GPU. How actually this is work, you can also go ahead. There is also the run option. We can also go for the income record too. So first there is also the option that for now today is 0 1.522%. We have to click on it and it will be successfully done. You see it's working, and we have shown the balance after registration. You can easily start with the total lease amount. And yes, within 1 minute you will see the after countdown you will be given return. And here is GPU like S2, GPU yield S4, and so on, where number of duration and percentage will be different. In this way you can also use the asset that here is given, and here I will also show you the result about it too. Basically we have used it, that's why there is balance 0. And next you can also check that how actually this is working. AI power on a single interface, within 30 seconds the result will be given. And next you can also come to the AI finance on this platform, where you can also get more opportunities to go ahead to experience. You will get a best experience here. And now you see here 1.53 has been given us as the reward, and we can come to the asset, and now you will also see here total income that has been added for now In this way you can also check, and there is also subscription after deposit. You can also go for AI Alpha membership, that is here given $35. We are valid for 30 days. What are the tools you can use? Here are AI Paint. There is also reward when you will also share to your friends, and yes, there is also different plans that you can activate it according to your balance that will be unlocked. And next you can also come to AI tools, where you can see first of all there are categories: work assistant, translate, office chat. There is also id programming related assistant. If you go ahead, like there is also project manager, we can open it. You can give the prompt here. After the membership you can also get the result. If we want to know further information about that, if you want to write a script for your movie, you can also give here the simple prompt like give a story. Then they will also give a story on the topic. So this is also what you need. Next you can also come to this, that if you want to design a project, then there is also given option to. If you want to get, the next tool is about AI Paint, where you can easily create from text to image, from text to blend. There is also image to AI blend, AI image analysis, and AI prompt analysis, and much more. You can see a lot of creativity work too. You can easily come to text to image, where you can give the reference image, give the prompt, and then you can also write what is the selection and number. You can easily generate that. This is also given to you, and you can also select. Here is AI blend option, where you can also proceed from image to image, from AI image to analysis. That is also given here on a single interface. But if you want to chat with the community, if you are a rapper, if you are a historian, if you are also family doctor, you can also click on it. You can easily, like you want to know about what should be the medicine for your headache, you can also give here like I have headache, so here I am also going to given it headache, where what medicine should I use, like I have a headache, what medicine, what exercise medicine and exercise I should use. So here I am going to given it complete into my language prompts. So basically here you can see, and now you can also check the AI assistant is working, and there will be response what we have to do when we have this situation. We have to given it, and now you can see here like OTC, there is also active fear and so on. But I will also suggest here that you should go for checkup to your personal doctor, mean family doctor. So basically you can also get the assistant here, smart assistant at wedding planner. If you have a wedding planning, uh, like you have a company that work for wedding plan, you can also get the best design here, wedding planning and much. There is AI chat that will also help you. You can also come to event center, where you can also see the more reward according to your invite friends. I hope you understand about it, how actually this is working, where you can easily go for AI tools about your asset and about your total number that you will get after entry into the platform. If you have any question or query still now, you can join us on. I hope you understand everything about it, AI Alpha, and how actually this is working. You can also download their applications too. Here is the download application. You can also go for withdrawal to external wallet. There is also a complete details about it. When you will click, you will also know the details about it, how actually this is working. You can also come to this section. This is also about the help center, where you can even change your email address. You can also change your login password. You have any question like frequently asked question, then they will also help you. You can also go for online customer service support too, if you want to meet with their team. So you can also go for ahead through Telegram, and WhatsApp is also option available. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next year. Till then, goodbye and take care.